What if you could use AI to make money, without coding, without experience, and without depending on risky trading bots? In 2025, thousands of beginners are using simple AI tools to build income streams, from micro-automations, to AI-powered research, to smarter investing. Today, I'm revealing the top 3 AI tools that are actually helping real people make money right now, in ways most beginners don't know about. And at the end, I'll show you which tool I personally recommend if you're just getting started. Welcome to TechMoneyAI, the channel where we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we invest, trade, and create new income opportunities. If you're new here, hit the like button. It helps push this video to more people who want to use AI to improve their financial life. Let's jump right into the list. Tool number 1. GPT-5 Money Automations. GPT-5 is not just another chatbot. It's a money-making engine when you know how to use it. Beginners are using GPT-5 to create small automations that businesses are willing to pay for. How GPT-5 makes people money. People are charging for things like social media content packages, email newsletters, product descriptions, marketing scripts, research summaries, SEO blog posts, cover letters and resumes, digital templates for Etsy or Gumroad, short-form video scripts, real estate listing descriptions. And the crazy part? GPT-5 does 80% of the work in minutes. Beginner-friendly example. One simple automation is becoming extremely popular: daily content package for small businesses. You pick a niche, like restaurants, hair salons, realtors, gyms. You ask GPT-5. Create 30 days of social media posts for a local business. People are charging $150 to $350 per month for this recurring service, and many business owners don't even know AI exists. Why this works in 2025. Small business owners are overwhelmed. They want AI, but they don't know how to use it. That creates a huge opportunity for beginners to become AI operators. No coding, no experience, just knowing what prompts to use. Tool number 2. AutoGPT Market Analyzer. This is one of the most underrated AI tools for making money. AutoGPT is an advanced AI agent that works like a research assistant, giving you high-quality analysis on demand. Crypto traders, stock investors, analysts, and freelancers are using it daily. How people make money with AutoGPT. It can produce crypto trend reports, technical analysis summaries, risk evaluations, market sentiment breakdowns, portfolio optimization suggestions, news impact reports, token research, stock forecasts with confidence scores. These are tasks that used to take hours. Now AutoGPT does it in 30 seconds. Beginner example. Let's say someone is researching a crypto token. AutoGPT can instantly provide support, resistance zones, moving averages, RSI momentum, sentiment merge from Twitter and AMP, Reddit, news effects, risk score, volatility profile. People are selling these reports online for $15 to $50 per report, especially to beginners who don't know how to analyze charts. Freelancers on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Discord groups are making consistent income doing this. Why this works. Investors want high-quality insights, but they don't want to spend hours learning technical analysis. AutoGPT fills this gap perfectly. It's like having a junior analyst who works 24/7 for a few dollars a month. Tool number 3: AI Trading Assistants. These are not trading bots. They don't execute trades for you. Instead, they act like a smart investing companion. Examples include Dex Check AI, Copilot Trader, Alpha Sense for crypto, GPT-5 Trading Mode, BitTensor Insights. They help beginners avoid costly mistakes by providing guidance like, this token is high risk because volatility is rising. Sentiment is negative, avoid buying now. Volume is increasing, watch for a breakout. Your position size is too high for your account balance. These tools help you make better decisions, but you remain in control. How beginners use them to make money. Not by gambling, but by avoiding FOMO trades, reducing emotional decisions, identifying early trends, getting alerts before big moves, following more consistent strategies. Mini case study. A group of beginner traders using sentiment-based alerts reported going from a 30% win rate to 55% in their journaled trades. It's not magic. It's just better data and fewer impulse decisions. Conclusion. So those are the top 3 AI tools actually making people money in 2025, and the best part is that beginners can start using them today. GPT-5 Money Automations, AutoGPT Market Analyzer, AI Trading Assistants. Comment below which one you want me to create a full tutorial for next. And if you want my complete list of AI money-making tools, check the link below for the AI Trading Starter Toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.